So I hope you guys saw that plane landing. That's actually Cooper Airways coming from Panama, but it's kind of special to us, not kind of, very special to us. I have Vanny here. The rest of the family is joining us. So my wife and son, they are on that plane and it just landed in Montego Bay. So we are going to the airport to meet them. I am so excited. I wonder if they saw us. Van, you think? You don't think they see us through the window? Oh shucks. But we know that they have landed. So let's go to the airport. Going into the airport, it is real chaos. The main car park seems full, so we park in the secondary one. This Montego Bay airport now is something else. It seems to always be packed, crowded, traffic, everything. We're here at the airport, but you know it's going to take a while for them to come out because I'm not lying, about 10, when you look at the board, about 10 planes land within the last 2 hours, so it's going to be crowded. Hey boss, what happened? So it's like 2 days, right? Since all they come?
Yeah.
So it's pretty good to have them. All glad to be in Jamaica?
Yeah.
Super glad.
Yeah, so look at us in the car, all of us, the entire family driving around in the car, you know, so most of the time it's me and Vanny roaming. Now, the entire family, so I'm very, very happy. Everyone is here, so this little video was just the trip for them coming here and I'm really excited. So look forward to more videos of all of us together. Thanks as always for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Bye.